Welcome. If you're using Telegram on your PC and those animated emojis keep playing automatically in your chats, it can get a bit distracting. The good news is Telegram gives a full control over that, and you can easily turn off autoplay while still keeping animated emojis available when you actually want them. Let's walk through how to disable autoplay for animated emojis in messages on the Telegram desktop app. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see the Advanced option. Click on it to access more detailed controls and features. Now look for the section related to animated emoji. Make sure the animated emoji option itself is enabled so you can still use them when needed. Just below that, you'll find the Autoplay in Messages option. Here's the key step. Turn off autoplay in Messages. This will stop animated emojis from playing automatically in your chats, giving you a cleaner and less distracting messaging experience. After making this change, don't forget to click on Save to apply your settings. And that's it. From now on, animated emojis will only play when you interact with them, instead of looping automatically in your conversations. If you found this helpful, you might want to explore other Telegram settings to further customize your app just the way you like.